Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5:30 and today is 20th of November 2018. How are you guys? What are you doing? As I told you yesterday when I was talking about Nifty that I'm not comfortable at all with the Nifty's stance. And I told you why. The reason for that was that this 10 moving average was heading in the downward direction. Sorry, this is 50 moving average. It is crossing the 200 moving average from the top towards the bottom. The stance of this moving average was in the downward direction. And if you can see from here, I do it also for you yesterday, if you remember correctly. So I said that if this goes like this, and if this becomes like this, and if this becomes like this, the Nifty is going to take a huge resistance, right? And the levels that it could come down will be, first and foremost, if it crosses this, then it'll come here, then it'll come here, and then it'll come here, and then it'll come here, and so on and so forth. So what are these levels which I've drawn? Let me just tell you that as well. So the first level, if it crosses, will be just a sec. So the first level that Nifty will have to cross to be in the downward direction is 10,570, then 10,470, then about 10,370, then 10,200, then 10,100, and then finally 10,000. These are the levels Nifty will experience, right? So I'm still believing that Nifty may have a bit more profit booking coming in from next couple of days, or maybe this entire week. Like we just had Monday and Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 Fridays or holidays, the 2 days of profit booking can be seen. All right. Now, this is a pretty crucial level, where Nifty is right now. And Nifty has, as I told you, it's not being able to sustain itself, right? So if Nifty tomorrow crosses the level here, right, this is 10,580, then definitely Nifty is in the downward direction. Nifty will experience a massive resistance. Let me look at its 1 hour time frame graph, what's happening in over there. So Nifty has actually broken, like the support that I can see here is 10,627. If that support is broken, then Nifty will come down up till about 10,600, and if 10,600 is broken, then the next support that Nifty can experience is 10,580, right? These are the different levels that I could experience for tomorrow. And below 10,580, I can expect a pretty deep fall for Nifty. So anyway, since my mindset is negative, but like if you notice for the last 2 days, market is in a very, very indecisive mode, right? Whatever we believe, if we believe that this stock will go up, it goes down, and if we believe it's going up, going down, it goes up. So there is a huge turbulence in the market right now, and slowly or gradually, the market will settle down, right? And the direction of the market will settle down. As of now, where we stand, my stance on Nifty is actually negative. Since I'm negative on Nifty, tomorrow's stock that I want to give you, the first stock that I want to give you here today is Yes Bank, right? This is Yes Bank, and I feel this, if you just see the graph that I have drawn for you, it's been just making lower highs, right? And what I saw today was a huge amount of trading happening in this particular stock, right? That means huge volumes were there, right? What kind of volumes were there? That is a question mark, right? What kind of volumes? Like if I have to give it a number, I saw 14,770 rupees. No, 14,1477 crore rupees of trading happening in this. Means if you look at the graph, if you just look at the graph, right? Surely it's not a buying that has happened, right? Surely it's not the buying that has happened for such a huge quantity. So what has happened in this particular stock? Basically, such a huge amount of selling has taken place, right? So I definitely expect the stock to have a gap down opening first and foremost, and then further go down tomorrow, right? That's my first stock for today. The second stock that I have on my radar is Wockhardt Pharma, right? So second stock that I have on my radar is Wockhardt Pharma, right? So the reason for Wockhardt Pharma is again the same. It's forming a narrow channel and there are lower highs, right? Lower highs that it's making. And if this support is broken, right, which is right where it finished today, which is 513, the stock can see a downfall, right? And the reason for that also is that today Pharma Nifty had a huge correction. Nifty Pharma had a huge correction, right? So that's the supporting reason I have for selling Wockhardt Pharma. Nifty Pharma. So I should have it here. Just somewhere here I should have it. Where are all my sectors? Where is my sectors? Here. So this is the sectors that I have. CNX Pharma, right? Look at the correction that Pharma has, right? And if you just notice very clearly, the Pharma is also having the similar kind of a trend, right? Lower lows, right? Lower lows, lower highs are being formed, right? And not only that, if you see another very clear thing out here, if this level for Pharma is broken, definitely Pharma will have further breakout in the downward direction, right? That's what I'm expecting Pharma to even correct. If Nifty goes down, Pharma should correct even more, right? That's what my perception about Nifty Pharma is. And connecting with that, I checked almost all the stocks like Dr. Reddy, Lupin, Ajanta Pharma, Oro Pharma, all of them are correcting, but this is a stock which I found, which is Wockhardt Pharma, pretty decently taking a resistance and forming a channel. So stock for me tomorrow will be Wockhardt Pharma, right? So I do plan to short Wockhardt Pharma, where right exactly below this value itself. Let me just put an alert, or even if I don't put an alert, even wherever it opens, I'm going to short it, right? So that's one reason that I have for Wockhardt Pharma. Then I have another stock for you people, Jet Airways. I do plan to sell, Jet Airways as well, right? If you see here, this is Jet Airways, one day graph, right? I need to make it a little shorter frame so that we can see it. See here, there have been, for the last 2 days, today and yesterday, lower highs, right? And somewhere here, if you notice very clearly, the stock was holding itself at this level, right? Can you see this level? The level of 307.8. This is where it was holding itself, right? And you can see this narrow channel that has formed. If it breaks this in the downward direction, I'm definitely going to short it. So 308 is where I'm going to be selling it, and above 314 I will be buying it, right? So that's my another stock for you. And so I've given you 3 stocks: Wockhardt Pharma, I've given you Yes Bank, I've given you Jet Airways, I'm giving you another stock for sale tomorrow, DHFL, right? This is what we will be shorting tomorrow, right? So it's already broken the range, like I've been giving it for past many days, but I believe tomorrow again it should have, like, it broke this range and again went to touch the same range. So exactly at the same point, which is 225.9 or 226, is where I will be shorting it. So these are 4 stocks I'm going to be posting a lot more stocks on my TradingView platform, and you can join me here, and you can join me on Telegram, you can join me on my YouTube videos, and you can join me anywhere you wish to stay connected. So here is my research that you will be seeing. This is my profile. In short while you will see my research definitely be posted here. So yesterday I have given some stocks: Asian Paints for sell, Ambuja Cement for buy, and Havels. These didn't initiate at all, but Yes Bank from 1542. Let me just show you where did it go. So it made a high of 1542. Above 1542 I gave a buy for. So I'll just show you, it made a pretty good, decent, target up IndusInd Bank. So I gave a buy above 1542. It made a high of 1569.9 or roughly 1570, right? So 1542 to 1570, roughly about 28 point it has given, right? So I mean, nowadays market is just becoming too unpredictable, and the reason for that is probably it's trying to change its direction. So that is why you couldn't find anything. So here, Titan also didn't initiate. Eicher Motor, no, that was previous day's trade. So Havels didn't have a breakout. Ambuja Cement and Asian Paints didn't have a breakout. So what I'm saying, so remain connected here. I can see there is a growth happening in the followers, but if you haven't still joined me here, there is a free platform. If you want to take the paid version, please see here. There is a Black Friday sale going on, right? So you have, whatever you want to buy, you can buy. 5 people come together and then you will find it very, very cheap and reasonable. Okay. So stay tuned and keep learning and keep doing good trades and keep generating good money. And my stocks for tomorrow, right? Tomorrow I'm expecting Nifty to further go down as it has taken a huge resistance today, and it's a solid Marubozu candle that it made. So I'm expecting Nifty to further go down, and if it bounces back, I expect Nifty to stay above the moving averages, right? I definitely want Nifty to be above all the moving averages consistently for few days, right? And I would, if you want me to give a figure to it, I want Nifty to stay above 10,800 for a few days. Once it does that, I would say Nifty is in the uptrend. But before that, like if it goes in the downward direction, below 10,570, it's short Nifty's will experience a resistance and it'll further go down. So this is my, these are the stocks. So let me just reiterate the stocks that I have given you. Wockhardt Pharma, DHFL, Yes Bank, Jet Airways. And besides that, you will see the research later on. I've given 2 more stocks. One is PEL, Piramal Enterprises, and another one I have given is Equitas, right? So there are 6 stocks in all that I have given. You can go through the research that I will be posting on my TradingView platform. Okay, so guys, I'm really looking forward to see you all wherever you want to get connected with me. And if you want to learn about the stock market, please join my premium courses, and you can be part of the positional course if you're an investor, and if you want to trade intraday, then you can start with intraday course. But I would say start with positional, then go to intraday. Like that should be your course of action. First positional, then intraday. And if you have no time and you want to take our premium services, you can go for our premium services as well, right? So we have a full, everything for you that you want to do. You want to learn, you want to be an accomplished trader, you want to be a full-time trader, you want to later on do portfolio management, everything that you want to understand about the positional course or the intraday course, we will be giving you on a very, very reasonable price, right? So you can contact my team. So how do you contact my team? There are all the details given over here. You can Telegram them, WhatsApp them, phone them, or email them, or just start chatting over here, right? So you're going to be, or you can you can send them a Telegram message or WhatsApp message also. So guys, take care. We meet tomorrow again, but I'm sure we will have a wonderful day. Please remember, market looks weak to me, right? Nifty looks pretty weak to me. So stay on the side of direction of Nifty. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, and we will meet again and with something new. Take care. Bye bye.